Good day, I am Daniel M. Pataktakan, 22 years old and I live in San Mateo, Rizal. I studied senior high school in Tabernacle of Faith Christian Academy in 2018 to 2020. I studied in Marikina Polytechnic College in 2023 to 2027. As a recent graduate from Marikina Polytechnic College, I want to pursue the course that I've been taken, which is Bachelor in Industrial Technology, major in Mechanical Technology. Some of my skills is welding, late machine operating, and I can be a team player or a leader. I am eager to contribute to your company and use my mechanical expertise. I am skilled in working with variety of groups and dedicated to continuous learning and career development. You can contact me through email danielpataktakan@gmail.com, and you can call me in 0928-6863-788. And thank you for considering me for this position. I look forward to speaking with you.